Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. How to flip camera on Monkey app. In the Monkey app, flipping your camera during a video chat is straightforward. That requires a subscription. Start by entering a chat and tapping to initiate a video call. Once the video is live, you will notice a small button on your profile screen that lets you switch to the rear camera. To access this feature, you need either a Monkey Plus or Monkey Plus Plus subscription. You can subscribe by tapping the crown icon, usually visible in the top right corner or throughout the app. There, you see the available subscription options, the duration, and their corresponding prices along with a first time discount if applicable. After purchasing, the rear camera feature is unlocked, allowing you to seamlessly switch views during your video calls. Remember, the rear camera gives you more flexibility to show your surroundings or demonstrating something in real time, enhancing your video chat experience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.